Hi, my name is Miss Bia. I'm from Pasir Panjang House on the Hill Montessori Preschool. We are here at Bridge Active Aging Community at Bukit Gombak. So we are here to do Hari Raya celebration with the seniors, with the children, making ketupat weaving. So the reason why we are doing is because it is an initiative by our founder to give back to the community and for the children to learn empathy, multi-generational community, and also learning about culture, learning about different diversity backgrounds.
Lucky to be invited here today. The activities that we do with the children, with the teachers, with the staff here, I appreciate that.
It's a good event that we have in here.
Thank you very much for this event. I hope for the next year, it's more than what we done here today.
I want to come here again.